Let's make halal shots. So this is a farewell to the food processor because over 40 years it's been making ginger, turmeric, and garlic paste. So let's make ginger, turmeric, and garlic shots. All in one shot.
No way.
Go.
कैसे बनाया आपने ये?
Just drink it.
How? Thought of it.
Ah!
अच्छा.
In a blender, let's add ginger, turmeric, and garlic, 1 orange, a squeeze of lemon juice, black pepper, coconut oil, and for the base you can use water. I like coconut water instead. And just blend. And now just strain it. And lastly, pour it into these little shot bottles.
One time में क्यों पिया आपने? आराम से पियो.
No, it's so karva. I don't want to drink it all day.
No. ये आराम से पीते हैं.
You don't? No, you don't. No, the whole thing.
No, no.
क्यों?
थोड़ा गले में लग रहा है ना बेटा.
Yeah, that's the point.
No. बना अच्छा है, healthy है, no problem.
Jala, we're gonna put this one good night now.
No, not good night. Why?
Yeah, it's done.
It's my baby.
It's gonna go up in the shelf.